In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ACF plugin in WP Engine, a step-by-step guide to mastering this essential WordPress tool. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your site's functionality, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. First, let's begin by logging in to your WordPress dashboard hosted on WP Engine. It's important to have your login credentials handy for this step. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WordPress site, and we'll be spending a lot of time here as we install and set up the plugin. Next, we're going to add the ACF plugin. To do this, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, where you can access thousands of plugins to enhance your site's capabilities. In the search bar, on the top right, type in Advanced Custom Fields, commonly known as ACF. Once you see the ACF plugin listed, click Install Now. WordPress will handle the installation for you, and once it's complete, don't forget to click Activate. This is crucial, as the plugin needs to be activated to function. With the plugin activated, it's time to start adding custom fields. Go to Custom Fields on the left menu and select Add New. Here, you'll be able to create new fields specific to your site's needs. For example, if you're running a travel blog, you might want to add fields such as tour price or guide name. Click on plus add field to begin this process. This is where you name your field, which will help you identify it later on. You will also determine the type, such as text, image, or number, depending on what kind of data you need to collect. Next, let's set the location rules. This will determine where your custom fields will appear on your site. For instance, if you're adding fields to a travel blog, you might decide that the custom field should appear only when the post type is trip. Select these options to ensure your custom fields show up where you want them. Once you're happy with your settings, click Publish. This saves your custom field settings and makes them available for use within your WordPress posts or pages. Now, to see your custom field in action, head over to one of your existing posts or create a new one. You'll notice your custom fields appear in the editor, ready for you to input data. Finally, if you want to display these fields on the front end of your website, access your theme files, such as singletrip.php. Add the code snippet to display the custom field on your site. By doing so, you ensure that the information you input into the custom fields is visible to your site visitors. And there you have it, a complete guide to using the ACF plugin in WP Engine. This tool is a powerful way to customize your WordPress site and tailor it to your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.